Redefining the ride, the Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 2025 takes power, style, and freedom to an entirely new level. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, where passion for motorcycles meets the road. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at one of Harley-Davidson's most exciting new machines, the 2025 Road Glide 3. A true game-changer in the trike world, the Road Glide 3 combines signature Harley style with unbeatable stability, power, and tech, making it a ride unlike anything you've ever experienced. The evolution of freedom. Harley-Davidson has always been about breaking barriers, and with the Road Glide 3, they're doing it once again. Designed for riders who crave the soul of a cruiser with the confidence of three wheels, the 2025 model redefines what it means to ride free. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about commanding the journey with more comfort, control, and unmistakable Harley attitude. Aggressive styling with a bold new twist. The Road Glide 3 2025 inherits the shark nose fairing that riders love, but with fresh design updates that make it look even more powerful and aerodynamic. Sleek bodywork, muscular fenders, and premium finishes give it a striking road presence. New LED lighting and stunning paint schemes ensure you'll stand out whether you're cruising through town or leading the pack on the open highway. Power that commands respect. At its core, the Road Glide 3 is powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine, delivering that deep, rumbling Harley sound and effortless performance. Torque-rich and responsive, this trike is built to dominate long stretches of road with incredible smoothness and authority. The addition of a 6-speed transmission ensures you always have the perfect balance of power and efficiency at your fingertips. Technology for the modern rider. This isn't just a throwback to classic Harley spirit. The 2025 Road Glide 3 is packed with cutting-edge technology. Riders will enjoy a premium boom box GTS infotainment system with a vivid touchscreen display, full Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and even voice commands. Safety features like cornering enhanced ABS, traction control, and a linked braking system come standard, giving you confidence and control on every ride. Designed for comfort and long-haul adventures, Harley-Davidson has engineered the Road Glide 3 for maximum comfort. With a plush seat, strategically positioned handlebars, and a spacious rear trunk for all your essentials, long-distance rides are not only possible but downright irresistible. The trike platform also delivers exceptional stability, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable, whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising across states. Final verdict. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 is more than just a new model, it's a revolution for riders who demand both freedom and confidence. Harley has managed to fuse tradition with innovation, resulting in a trike that's powerful, stylish, and ready for anything. If you're looking to elevate your ride to legendary status, the Road Glide 3 is your next adventure waiting to happen. Stay locked into Biker's Choice for more exciting launches, detailed reviews, and the heartbeat of the motorcycle world. Until next time, ride bold and ride free.